Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to control the data from only one HMI model Smart 700 IE V3 to 3 PLCs. Before go to create the new project of Step 7 Microwin Smart and VCC Flexible Smart, I would like to explain the concept a little bit. There are three PLCs model Schematic S7-200 Smart, CPU SR20 for PLC 1, and for PLC 2 I will use Schematic S7-200 Smart but CPU SR30, and for PLC 3 I will use Schematic S7-200 Smart, CPU SR20 also. Okay. And I will connect the Profinet port from those PLC to the switch and then set the manual IP address of PLC 1, PLC 2 and PLC 3 the same as I show. Example, PLC 1 I will set 192.168.20.1, PLC 2.20.2, PLC 3.20.3, and for HMI I will set .20.4, and for my computer I will set .20.253. Okay. And the concept is we can separate the page of the HMI that I will show step by step about how to create the connection. If we would like to control from the HMI to PLC 1, we can use the connection for PLC 1. If we would like to control the data to PLC 2, we can also set for connection for PLC 2, and we can separate the page one by one to control. Yes, I will show step by step during we create the project of step 7 Microwin Smart and Schematic VCC Flexible Smart version 3. Okay, so this is just wiring. So if we connect like this, it means that we can communication between our PC to the PLC 1, PLC 2, PLC 3 and also HMI, because the IP address is the same as class, right? So this is just concept, so let's go to create the project step by step and easy to understand. Okay, so let's go to follow me step by step. So here is the software Schematic VCC Flexible Smart and Step 7 Microwin Smart that we will use to create the project. Okay, so before go to create the project, I will create a new folder. Example 1 HMI connect to 3 PLC, right? Okay, and then we will create the project and then download to the PLC 1, right? And I will explain how to set the IP address and set the CPU status when we power on and power off, the CPU is running or stop or last. Okay, so let's go to open step 7 Microwin Smart. Okay, so here is the default program. When we open the software, we will got the window like this. And first we need to insert the CPU, right? So the CPU one, I will use CPU SR20. Yes. So let's go to insert the CPU SR20. Yes. And for the startup option, I will use run mode. If we select run, it means that when we power on, it will run the CPU. And if we choose stop, it means that when we off the power of PLC and power on again, the CPU will stop. When we select last, it means that when we run the CPU and we turn off the power of CPU, when turn on again, it will run because it remember about the last. Okay. So basically we can choose run because actually when we power on, it will allow PLC to run, right? So let's choose run and then click OK. And we can communication between our computer, yes, to PLC, right, to check communication. And before go to communication, let's go to set the manual of our computer, right, IP address of our computer. Okay, here is the manual IP address of computer. Actually like this, if everyone not yet set the manual IP address, so we can right click and then open network and sharing center, and then go to local area connection, and then choose the property, and then go to IP4. Yes, TCP IP4, and then choose 192.168.20.253, right? The same as my slide here. Yes. And press tab, it will fill the subnet mask for us. Yeah, 255.255.255.0. Yes, and then click OK and OK again and close. And then go to communication for CPU number 1, right? So go to double click on communications and then choose the Ethernet adapter. Yes, and wait a moment for scan the CPU. Take time a little bit. So right now we found 3 CPU. The first one is 192.168.2.2. Second one 192.168.2.3, and the third one is 192.168.20.1, right? So basically we can click on the IP address, which one that we want to configure for PLC1. Yes. Example, I would like to set this one for PLC1. I just click the plus line and then take a look to the PLC. It will blink the network. Yes. So let me press the plus line and then let's see the status together. Okay, let's see. It blink, right? Okay, blink blink, flash light, right? So this one is blink. Let's see. Yeah, this one blink blink blink, right? So this is a PLC one. Then we can stop flashlight and then go to edit, right? So 192.168.20.1, yes. Then set and then click OK. So we will got IP of PLC1, yes. And then we can create the new project of PLC1. Example, I will create the push button stuff. Example, stuff M1 M0.0 stop M1 M0.1 start M1. And then I will control turn on the Q 0.1, sorry 0.0, and I will hold the signal by Q 0.0, yes. And then we can compile. Okay, no error occur. And then we can save the CPU 1, yes. Let's check. Go to one HMI connect to 3 PLCs, right? So example, this one PLC 1 or CPU 1, yes. And then we can download to CPU 1. If I download, the CPU 1 will stop, right? Let me show when we download. So right now the CPU is running. So when I press stop, let's see, the CPU 1 is stopped. And then download finish and press yes to run. Yeah, CPU 1 is run. And then we can online. We can go online. Yes. Okay. And for CPU 2 and CPU 3, we can follow the step. Yes. I will minimize this one first and then open for create the CPU 2. Okay, so first let's go to set up the CPU type, right? The CPU type is SR30, right? So let's go to choose the CPU SR30. Yes, SR30, and then go to start up and then choose the run mode also. Yes, and then press OK. And let's go to tick the communication and then choose the correct network adapter, and it will pop up the IP address of the PLC. Yes. Okay. So to make sure which one the PLC2 that we would like to set, we can press another IP address, and then we can press flashlight, right? So let me press flashlight. Okay, let's press the flashlight. Let's see, the CPU middle is blink blink, right? It means that the CPU 2 that we would like to set the IP address 192.168.20.2, right? Okay, so we can go to edit. So this one .20.2, right? Preset. Okay, finish. And then we can create the logic. Yes, example M0.0, M0.1, yes, M0.1, Q0.0, and I will hold the signal by Q0.0, right? Okay, and then we can compile. Okay, no error occur, right? And can save the CPU too. Yes. Okay. The CPU too, and then we can download. When we download, the CPU too will stop also, right? So let me show the condition when we download. So when we download, click yes, it will stop the CPU too. Yes. And then finish, click jack again to start the CPU too. Yes. And then we can close, and then we can online. Yes. So we can minimize for CPU 2. Yes. And go to step 7, microwin smart again for CPU 3. So first let's go to set the CPU type, right? The CPU type is SR20 also. Yes. So let's go to setup and then choose the CPU SR20 and go to start up, and I will run the CPU when power on. Yes. And then go to communication tab and choose the correct network adapter, and it will detect the 3 CPU also, right? And then we can press plus line, yes, to check to make sure the CPU is correct, right? So this one I will press plus line. Okay, let's press plus line and let's see the condition together. Okay, let's see, blink 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 when I press plus line. Yes. So we can set the IP address follow the slide 192.168.20.3, right? So let's go to set and then .20.3, right? Okay, .20.3 preset, and then click OK, and we will create the sample project, right, for CPU 3 Q0.0 also, right? Q0.0, and then I will hold the signal by Q0.0. Okay, and then compile the program. Okay, no error occur, and then I can save with the CPU 3, right? Okay, and then we can download. Yeah, please button download, and then the CPU will stop also, right? When we download, I will stop the CPU. Let's see the status. When press stop, the CPU will stop, right? And then download. After finish, click yes again to start up the CPU. Yes. So right now all CPU is running, and then we can go online. Go online, yes. So I will put like this one for CPU 1, this one for CPU 2, and this one for CPU 3, right? Okay, I will put like this. So this one we can put like this. Okay, and this one we can put like this. So we need to control all this data from the HMI, right? Actually, we can force the signal to see the status. Example, CPU 1 we can write, and let's see the output is turned on, and actual PLC is turned on also, right? Okay, I will write to off and then turn off. Yes, and then write to off again. Yes. So we can create the project from the HMI to control these 3 PLC. So let's go to WinCC Flexible Smart. Yes. Actually, we can simulation and download the project to the real HMI. Yes, I will show. The first one, I will show how to simulation, and the second one, we will download the project from this WinCC Flexible version 3 to the HMI. Okay. So let's create the new project, and I will choose Smart 700 IEV3, the same as my HMI hardware. Yes, so I will choose this one. Yes. So this is very important. If everyone have any HMI, we can choose the correct HMI. Otherwise, we cannot download from the project of WinCC Smart to the HMI. Okay, so let's choose the correct HMI, the same as our hardware. So click OK. And the first step, we need to create the 3 connection, right, of PLC 1, PLC 2, and PLC 3, right? So let's go to create the connection. Double click here. Example CPU 1. Yes. And I will connect to schematic S7-200 Smart, right? So choose 200 Smart. And I will choose the Ethernet port. Yeah. And here is my IP address of computer. So 192.168.20.253, right? This one. Yes, this one. And I will connect to PLC 1. So PLC 1 IP address is 192.168.20.1, right? And the next step, we will create the IP address or device for PLC 2. So I will choose CPU 2 and connect to schematic S7-200 Smart also. And the IP address of my PC is the same, but this one I will change to 2. Yes, the same as our slide. Yes, PLC 2 is .2, right? .20.2. And for PLC 3, CPU 3, I will connect to schematic S7-200 Smart also. And this one I will change to 3. Yes. So connection for CPU 1 is .1, CPU 2 is .2, and CPU 3 is .3. Okay. And for my PC is .253. Yes. So right now we already create the connection of 3 PLC, yes, the same as this one. So we can command like HMI connect to PLC 1 and this one, HMI connect to PLC 2, sorry, and this one we can mark as HMI connect to PLC 3, yes, like this, for easy to understand. So the next step we will create the text. So let's go to this tab for create the text. So one CPU we have 3 texts, right? The first one is stop, the second one is start, and the third one is output, right? So we will create one by one. So example, this one we can choose the text. Example, stop PLC 1 stop M1, yes, and choose the correct CPU. This step is already create the CPU, right? So we must select to be correct the CPU. Otherwise, when we control, it will wrong direction. Example, we would like to control to the CPU 1, but we choose the CPU 2 connection, it will wrong. Okay, so let's choose the CPU 1. And for data type, I will use Boolean and start from M 0.0, right, for stuff here. Sorry, stop. This one CPU 3, but the same, right? Okay, for CPU 1, M0.0 is stop, M0.1 is start, and Q0.0 is output, right? So I will choose M0.0. This one we can go to create for start M1, right? Okay, and M0.1 start M1. And for the output we can use PLC1 underscore M1, yes, and then I will choose the Q 0.0, right? It is the output. So we can create more for CPU 2, right? So example, PLC 2 stop M1, and this one I will choose the CPU 2, right, here, because we will control the stop button to the CPU 2, yes, and the address will start from M0.0 also, right? Okay, CPU 2 here, M0.0, M0.1, Q0.0, okay, and this one we can start M1, right? The CPU 2, right? The same as the take number 1, and then M0.0, sorry, M0.1, and for PLC 2 M1, right? CPU 2 connection is CPU 2 Boolean, and I will start from Q0.0, okay? And for PLC 3, we can also PLC 3 stop M1 and choose the CPU 3, and the address will start from M0.0, yes, this one, CPU 3, M0.0, M0.1, and Q0.0, okay? So PLC 3 start M1 Boolean also, and start from Q 0.0, right? Okay, so take for M1 CPU 1, M2 CPU 2. Oh, this one, sorry, it will start from M0.1, right? And one more, PLC 3 M1, right? Boolean also, and CPU 3 connection, and it will start from Q 0.0. Okay, so right now for take PLC 1 we already created, PLC 2 we also created, and PLC 3 we also created, right? So let's go to our screen. I would like to separate 3 screens. The screen number 1 for PLC 1, and I will create one more screen for PLC 2, and we can rename this one example main page. Yes, I will rename as main page. Property example main screen. Yes, and this one I will use for PLC 1 screen, and I will create more for PLC 2 screen, and one more for PLC 3 screen. Yes, so I have main screen here, I have PLC 1 screen, PLC 2 screen, and PLC 3 screen, right? So I will call the main button. So main button we can go to create a button for call the screen 1, screen 2, and screen 3. So I will put this one first and then choose the text. I will write the text. Okay, welcome to PLC and HMI training. I can choose the font size to be 20, yes, like this. And I will change the background to be okay, maybe yellow color is okay. Okay, yellow color. And I will change this one to be example 28. Is okay or not? 28. Okay, it's still okay. So we can simulation to check the screen is okay or not. Okay, that's okay, but I will change to be center and middle, right? I will go center and middle. Okay, like this. Maybe I change the background to another color. Example, this color. Okay, this color. And then I will change this one to be 30, sorry. And then let's simulation again to check the screen. Okay, ตอนนี้ okay, right? And then we can put the button for call the screen, right? Example, I will call the screen. Go to property. Go to property, and this one example PLC1 screen. Okay, call the PLC1 screen, and then I will adjust the font to be 16. Yes, and this one I will put PLC2 screen. Yes, PLC2 screen, and this one PLC3 screen. Okay, so we have 3 buttons for call the screen, right? So when we push this one, we will got the screen number 1 PLC, and when we push this one, we will got the PLC2 screen. Push this one, we will got the PLC3 screen, right? Okay, so to call the screen, we can go to property and then go to event, click, and then choose the activate screen. Yeah, this function activate screen, and then we can choose the screen name, right? We can click here, so we can go to screen 1 PLC1 screen. Yes, and for this one we can activate screen also, and choose the screen name screen 2, right? And for this one activate screen, so screen number 3 here. And then for screen number 1, number 2, and number 3, we can copy this one. Yes, so copy and then go to PLC1 screen, and we can paste. Yeah, we will got like this. Go to, okay, I will change the background a little bit to be this color for screen number 2. Sorry, for screen number 1, and then we can copy this one to screen number 2, and then paste. Number 3, paste. Yeah, so we can go to screen number 1 and number 2. I will change the background to be this color. Yes, maybe this color is okay. And for screen number 3, I will change the background to be this color. Yes, and then we can save the project. Go to desktop, and then go to choose the one HMI connect to PLC 3 PLC, right? So this one HMI project. Okay, so we can simulation for open and close the screen for test. So this one is main screen, right? So I will call the screen 1. Yes, call the screen 2, call the screen 3, call the screen 1, call the screen 2, call the screen 3, and we can also call main, right? So I will add more for main screen. So let's adjust button a little bit, and then I will copy one more for main screen. So this one we can write we can write go to main screen, right? Or we can write only main screen. Okay, and then we can adjust a little bit more. Okay, so this one we can call the main screen, right? So I will go to event and then choose this one as main screen, and then we can copy to paste on screen number 2, and then we can adjust this screen. Okay, and then go to screen number 3, and then we can paste and adjust the screen also. Yes, and then we can save and simulation the screen again. So right now I will switch to screen number 3 and then go to main screen, screen number 2, main screen, screen number 1, main screen, and also go to screen, another screen we can select, right? And here maybe I can put the text. Okay, we can copy. So this one example main screen. Okay, main screen, I will go to the font size, adjust to 24, sorry, maybe 48. Yes, main screen 48, and then we can copy and then go to PLC 1 screen. So this one should be I will change color to be this color, and then change the text as PLC 1 screen. Yes, and then we can go to copy and then paste here. So this one should be PLC 2 screen, and then copy and then paste here, should be PLC 3 screen. Yes, and then we can save, and we will create the button for start and stop and status the motor of each screen, right? So let's go to screen number 1 first, and then choose the button. Yes, example, choose the button for start. We can write as start motor 1. Yes, I will change the color to green color, sorry, change the color to be green or blue color. Yes, blue color, and I will adjust the size to be 16. Yes, so this one start motor 1, and we can copy for stop motor 1 and adjust the text. So this one should be stop motor 1, and I will change the color to be red. Yes, red color, and then we can go to choose the motor, right? So let's go to choose the motor here. Yes, go to VinCC Placable and go to this tab and choose the symbol factory graphics and go to another tab that we want. Example, I go to this tab and then find the tab of motor, right? Okay, motor here, and then we can choose another style that we want. Example, for motor number 1, I will choose this style. Yeah, drag and drop. Okay, we will go like this. Okay, and we can adjust the size that we want. Yeah, for this style, everyone can design another style that we can look with the beautiful screen. Yes, so we can adjust to be aligned. Yes, okay, and then save the project, and we need to configure the button, right? So this one start. Okay, for button start, let's go to event and then go to press. So when we press, it will set the bit, right? So I will choose set bit and choose the bit PLC1 start, right? Okay, start. And then when I release the mouse or release the key on the HMI, I will reset the bit, right? I will reset the PLC1 take start also, right? And for the button stuff, we can follow this step also. Set bit. So set bit PLC1 stuff, and when I release, I will reset the PLC1 stop, right? PLC1 stuff. Okay, and for the status of the motors, we can choose another color that we want. I will go to the object and then choose like this. Normally I will change this one to red, and when the motor is running, I will change to green, right? So I will choose take PLC1 M1, right? And then when it means that it turn on or it running, I will change color to be green. Okay, save the project, and we can simulation for test for PLC1. Yes, okay, so PLC1, this one, right? So let's go to screen 1. Yes, we will go like this, and then we can start. Okay, when start, let's see the output is turned on. Yes, and then the motor will change to green also, right? And when I press stop, it will stop. Start again, it will start again. Stop, it will stop. Okay, so we can copy to another screen. Yeah, screen 2 and screen 3. So I will select all, and then right click, copy, and then right click and paste here. We just change the text for event, right? Go to event, please. Just change this one to PLC2. Yes. And then this one also change to PLC2. And for stop, we can change to PLC2 also. And release, change to PLC2. And for the status, we can change to PLC2 also, right? PLC2 M1 status. We can simulation, yeah, to check. Okay, I will minimize, and then this one for PLC2, right? So let's go to PLC2, and start. Okay, turn on, stop, start again. Yes, so that's correct. And then we can copy to PLC 3 screen also, right? So I will select, then right click, copy, and then go to screen 3, right click, paste. Yes, and then we just change this one to be PLC 3, right? This one also change to PLC 3. Yes, so it's very easy to control. Yes, this one change to PLC 3, and this one change to PLC 3. Yes, so the last one change the PLC 3. Yes, and then save the project so we can control to all screen. Yes, so first let's go to screen number 3, yeah, to confirm this one working or not. So let's click start. Yes, when I start, let's see it turn on. The motor is running because output is turned on. Stop, start again, stop, start again. Yes, so it worked perfectly. Yes, this one start. Yes, it worked perfectly between 3 screen. And for the main screen, we need to show the status of the motor also, right? So example, we can copy, or we can show only the status of the motor run or stop, right? So basically we can use copy, yeah, copy this one for motor 1, right? Copy to screen 1, yeah, this one for motor 1. I will adjust to small a bit. Yes, so we can copy to motor 2 and copy to motor 3. Yes, like this. Okay, and we can put the name, example motor 1. Okay, and this one for motor 2, copy, and this one for motor 3. Yes, and I just change this one to be PLC 2, right? And this one to PLC 3. Okay, and I will change the background to be like this, maybe easy to understand. Maybe like this. Oh, cannot see, right? I will change color to be another color. Maybe change to yellow. Yes. For main screen, I will change to green. Okay. I will choose bold. And we can adjust. Yes. Okay. And I will adjust the size to be 36. Yes, because it's just the motor name. Yeah, motor 1, motor 2, and motor 3, right? And then save the project, and we can simulation again. Okay, oh, this one is not okay, right? So we can adjust to be like this. Yes, and this one like this, and then simulation again. So we mask simulation before we download to the HMI. Otherwise, like this. Let's see. Here is hidden, right? Because it uh, look like a big size, right? So I will go to 29 and then adjust and then simulation again. Try to simulation before download to the real HMI, right? So let's see. Right now the motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3 is running. Yes. So if we would like to stop, we can switch to screen mode and then stop and go to main screen. Let's see. The motor 1 is stop. Stop. Okay, I will stop. And let's see. The motor 2 is stop also. And I will stop this one also for motor 3. Yes, it shows stop. Okay. So if we would like to set the analog, yeah, example we can set the analog also. Let's go to test. For digital we already tested, right? For PLC 1 example start, PLC 2 example start, PLC 3 example start, and main screen also show the status of the motors 3, 2 and 1 is running. So right now we will go to create more for analog set point, right? Yes. Okay. So first let's go to PLC 1 because we need to set the value to the PLC also, right? Yeah, if we have the project. Example set point the speed of the motor, set point the frequency of the VFD. Yes. So we need to put the analog value. Okay. So basically we can use like this. Example we can use SM0.0 all the way on. And then I will use add real. Example add real. So I will add VW, sorry, VD10 and VD 20. Yes, and then the result is VD 30. Yes, like this. And then we can compile the program. Okay, no error. And then save. And then we can download to the PLC 1. Stop the CPU again. Click yes to run the CPU back. And then we can online. Yes. So 0 plus 0 equals 0, right? Example 0, I will 10 plus 10 plus 0 equals 10, right? Example 10 plus 12 equal 22, right? So we need to set the VD10 and VD20 from the HMI of PLC 1, right? Okay, so we can test. So first we need to create the text, right, for PLC 1. Example real one, PLC 1 real one. Yes. And I will choose the real and VD, right? VD 10 PLC 1 real 2, right? VD20, right? So VD20, because our program is VD20 also, right? This one, and the result is VD30. So PLC1 real Q VD30, yes. And then let's go to screen 1, and then we can choose the IO, right? This one. So example, I will use this format. Like this, yes. And then let's go to the text, and this one for input and output, this one for input. So the input number 1, I will use input for set the data, yes. And let's choose the text, sorry, PLC1 real one, right? And the format, maybe I choose this format, yes. And then we can design. I will choose the green for text, and background I will choose red, and this one I will choose this one. Font size I will increase to be 22. Yes. And for the text format, let's go to text format. I will choose center and then middle, yes. So this one for in one, right? Input 1. So we can copy from this one and then choose in 1, yes, input 1, and then adjust the size to be like this, and change the color. I will change yellow color. And for input number 2, we can copy, yes, for input number 2. And then I will change this one for input number 2. And the format is the same, right? We just change to real 2. Yes. And one more is the result, right? So result in 1 minus in 2. Sorry, in 1 plus in 2, right? So in 1, example in 1 plus in 2, yes, in 1 plus in 2, equal output, right? Maybe I will adjust this motor to like this. Okay, then this is the result, right? So we can copy and then change the format to be output only, right? So this one output only, yes. So if we save the project and then simulation, we will got the result, right? Because we already forced the signal, yes. Screen 1. So this one example I set 40. Oh, I will remove all 4 first. I will unforce first. Unforce all, right? And then we can set example this 120 equal 20, right? Incorrect. So I will change this one to be real 3. Yes. PLC 1 real 3, right? And then we can simulation again. Okay, right now 0. Maybe we can use the function like this. Can read also, so we can choose this one. Yes. Okay. Then we can simulation again. So I will test with 40H. Oh, not come, right? We did 10. Let me check the CPU. Maybe incorrect the text, right? Oh, this one CPU 3 incorrect. So we can choose CPU 1 first. So it is very important. If we select the wrong CPU, it means that the wrong connection also, right? So be careful for this step. And then we can simulation again. Okay. And then go to PLC 1 and this one maybe it's okay. I will change to 40. Yes, 40 equal 52, right? And this one I will change to 20. Yeah, the result is 60, right? Example I will change to 90. Yeah, 110, right? Okay, so it worked perfectly. And then for PLC 2, PLC 3, we can create the program the same as PLC 1. Okay, let's go to PLC 2 first, offline, and then we can use SM0.0. It means that always on, and I will add real VD10, VD20, VD30. Yes, and then compile the program. Yes, no error. And then we download to the PLC and then run the PLC back, and we will go like this. And we can go to PLC 3. Yes, also go offline and then go to add the always on. Yeah, SM0.0. I will choose add real. So VD10, VD20, VD30. Yes, and then compile the program, no error. Save the project and then download to the PLC and stop the CPU. Yes, and then we can online also. So PLC 3, PLC 1 and PLC 2, we already created the sample for add the value, right? So it worked perfectly. Okay, I will zoom a little bit like this. Okay, and one more. for this one. Yes. So PLC 1, PLC 2, PLC 3 is already created, the add block. And then let's go to create the HMI. Yes. So first let's go to text, and then this one actually we can copy and paste and just change this one to real one of PLC 2 and choose this one. Yes, don't forget choose this one, this connection. And for this one is real 2 PLC 2 and choose CPU 2, and this one PLC 2 also, and choose the CPU 2, and we can copy and paste here. This one should be real one of CPU 3, and don't forget change this one to 3, real 2 of PLC 3, change this one to CPU 3, and output for PLC 3, choose the PLC 3, yes, CPU 3, and then go to the screen. So the first one is already created, right? So we can copy. I will align a little bit and then copy. Yes. Control C. Paste. Yeah. And I will adjust this button and motors a little bit like this. Okay. For this one, we just change to PLC 2. Yes. Change to PLC 2 because the text is the same. This one change to PLC 2, and we can save and then simulation again. Okay, so this one is a PLC 2 program, so we can test screen number 2. I will change to 1 2 3. Yes, let's see 1 2 3 1 4 5. Yeah, 1 4 5, and this is the result 2 6 8, right? That's correct. And then we can go to screen number 3. I will copy this one also. Yes, copy, and then go to screen number 3, and I will adjust this one to be like this, and then I will paste. Yes, like this. Maybe I will change this one to be black color, and for this one I will just change only PLC 3. This one PLC 3 also, and this one is PLC 3 also. Yes, and then we can simulation and test. After that we can download this screen to the real HMI. Yes, I will show step by step about how to download to the screen, and then we can control together. So this one for screen number 2, I will start the motor first and go to screen number 3. Screen number 3, this one, right? PLC 3. So I will set point to be 589. Yes, let's see, 589. This one 789. Let's see, 789. Okay, so it worked perfectly. Yes, screen 1, screen 2, and main screen. So we need to download this HMI project to the real HMI, right? And then test together. So before go to set the HMI, I would like to show the screen a little bit. Yes, don't forget this IP address of the HMI. So 192.168.20.4. Yes. So let's go to set the IP address of the HMI before we download the project of WinCC to the HMI. So let's go. Okay, this is HMI. So when start up, let's go to freeze. Okay, when it start up first, let's go to control panel and then go to transfer. Make sure we put this one like this and then go to OK, and we need to go to Ethernet, yeah, and set the IP address. It's very important for IP address, otherwise we cannot download if we put the wrong IP address and we cannot connect from our PC, right? So for this one is 192.168.20.4, right? So I will set 192.168.2.20, right? Change to .20 and .4. Yes. And then freeze OK. Yes, OK one more time. And we check again to make sure the IP address that we put is keep here. Click OK. Yes. And then we can freeze transfer. Yes. And then let's go to our project of WinCC. Yes. So first we will close the simulation first. And then go to our project. Yes. Go to the main screen. Okay. And then we can ping the IP address. Sorry. Ping 192.168.20.4, right? So it shows like this. It means that we cannot communication with the HMI. Okay. So let me check the LAN cable. Yes. Of HMI connect to the switch properly or not. So wait a moment. We can type like this: ARP ARP D 192.1 192.168.20.4, and then we try to ping again. Cannot ping, right? So let me check the LAN cable. Okay, right now I connect the LAN cable to the HMI, and then let's see here is can communication between HMI and our PC, right? So let's go to download. So we will put the IP address of HMI here, 192.168.20.4, right? And then please download. Let me show when it download the project. It will show the step also. Yeah. So let's click here. Yes. And then click here. It will transfer. Yes. Finish. Okay, right now finish download to the real HMI, and then we can also simulation. Yes, so we can see the status. I will zoom for PLC 2 like this. And then put the HMI here. Yes. And let's test the real HMI together. Yes. So let's see here the HMI. We already downloaded the program from the schematic VCC flexible, right? So we can go to screen number 1. Yes, we will see like this. And then we can stop. We can start. Let's see the PLC is turn on and off also when we push stop, start. And for screen number 2, let's go to screen number 2. Yeah, please screen number 2. And then we can stop. Okay. Let's see the condition of PLC. Start, stop, start. And then let's go to screen number 3. Yes. Screen number 3, we can push stop, push start. Yes. And we can test for set point also. Yeah, example, I will change this one to Wi-Fi. Yeah, it will calculate to this step. Yes. So it worked perfectly between 3 PLC and only one HMI, right? So go to main screen like this. Yes. So this is just example about how to connect and control the PLC only one HMI to 3 PLC, right? So I hope everyone will follow my video step by step, because I already go slowly, yeah, too easy to understand. So thank you very much for watching my video. And if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to say I'm sorry if I have mistake in this video. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also, to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.